Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Bishop KaMoroka, founder of Goddess Creations and Events. Actually, my business started as a coping mechanism. As I went through a lot, I was suffering from depression, PTSD, anxiety, and then I just needed to keep myself busy, and I decided why not try flowers. The services we provide are all your floral needs, your funeral wreaths, your anniversaries, your birthdays, any floral need that you may think of. We also do small events for a number of 10 people to 50 max. We also have your corporate gifting for all your corporate gift needs. You can get hold of us on our Facebook page with Goddess Creations and Events. You can get hold of us on our Instagram page. It's Flowers by Goddess Creations. And you can follow me on Facebook. My Facebook name is Mbarlie KaMoroka. And on Twitter, my Twitter handle is Opelong Moroka _M. On Instagram, I'm Mbarlie_M. Is Mbarlie, and I am a township entrepreneur.
Okay,